right, boys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar and to some reggae time. We have Magic with a song called Rude. Do you remember this song? Like 10 years ago, it was a banger. We liked this one. And yeah, let's bring this one to life because the album was called Don't Kill the Magic. We will bring it back to life again. So, Magic with a song called Rude. So, yeah, don't be rude. I'm gonna marry your girl anyway, your daughter. That's a nice line there. Anyway, let's take a look at this song, and we're gonna do that with the capo set on the first fret. All right, that will be the easiest scenario for us, and we have a couple of chords to go over. So let's start with those. We're gonna start with the four main chords here, and that will be F, G, C, and A minor. So the first chord, F, it's a bar chord. You play the bar on the first fret, and you cover all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Speaking of G, that's the next chord. So it goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is C, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the A minor. And it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And with these four chords, you know about 90% of the song already, but we have a pre-chorus when you need to throw in another two chords, and that will be E minor. And it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the C, B chord, okay? So it comes from the C, and then you go to the C, B. What you need to do here is basically just to do this. Okay, so you have the C like this. I would keep the first fret B string, even if you're not playing that one. You will need it in the chord right after the A minor. All right, so you go from C to CB, and you do like this. What you need here is to focus on the bass only when you do the strumming. Okay, so you just release these two fingers and put one of them on the second fret A string. So that will be second A, then open D, open G is probably what you're gonna touch there, nothing more. But keep the first fret B string there because the A minor is coming, all right after. So that's the C, B, like this. Okay, so there you have the chords. Now let's take a look at the strumming, and we'll look at the strumming pattern that works very well for this one. So if you go to the first chord, the F, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down. Slow down, okay, and then you speed up. A couple rounds goes like this. Right, so let's start with the first verse, and we have the four famous chords here for this song, and it will be F, one string around, G, one string around, C, one string around, and A minor, one string around. You're gonna play for 4 rounds. Let's go for a couple rounds together. F, G, C, and A minor. Yeah, we had some rounds there, actually 4, and that is actually what you're gonna play for the first chorus. And already by now, you know like 90% of the song. And we're gonna come into the first pre-chorus, and this is where it differs a little bit from the rest of playing here. So you're gonna play now 1 down per chord only. So you're gonna play the first half like this: F, G, E minor, and A minor. And the second half will be F, G, C, C, B, A minor. You're gonna play for only this one chord progression round. And now you understand what I meant with C, C, B, and A minor. You keep that finger there because it goes a little bit faster. So like this. So C, you play it more on just the bass strings, really to emphasize the bass that goes down pretty much. So, okay. So that is how I play the pre-chorus: F, G, E minor, A minor, then F, G, C, C, B, A minor. One down per chord, only for one chord progression round, and then comes the first chorus. And now there's no need for me to play anything more because there's nothing new to this one. I just mentioned how it goes this song. The first chords now, you're gonna play the F, G, C, and A minor in the same way you play the verse. You're gonna play for 5 rounds. Then over now to the second round of everything. And yeah, you're gonna play it again for 4 rounds in the second verse. And then you're gonna repeat the second pre-chorus and play it the exact same way as we just learned. 1 down per chord of the following chords we learned there. And then comes the second chorus. Okay, so it plays for 6 rounds this time. So F, G, C, A minor for 6 rounds of strumming. After that comes some instrumental parts. And guess what? You're gonna play the chorus play for 2 rounds. So a lot of chorus play in this song / verse because you handle them in the exact same way. And after that instrumental part that started about 2 minutes and 35 seconds into the song, you're gonna finish off this song with the third chorus and you're gonna play for, 8 rounds. So I actually looked up this one, and what I can see here is that you're gonna play the F, G, C, and A minor for 27 rounds in total here in the song. So you're really gonna work your way here with this chord progression F, G, C, and A minor. So that is how you handle Magic's Rude. Don't be rude, okay? Give me something nice back here. It's a Gordon guitar. Why not? Just a click, or yeah, I'm happy with a comment as well. Maybe you can wish for a song. I bring them up usually on Wednesdays. Sometimes we have wish weeks, whole week, with songs that you, hopefully, subscribers to this channel have wished for. So you can really interact with me, get your songs out there. So that's a great opportunity. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and hope to see you soon again. Play tuned.